Good job. Good job. Watch out, Savannah can drive that bike really good. Hey, Nolly, where are you going? You going backwards? Where are you going? Come and get your cousin. Whoa! What'd you do? Crash your bike? Did you crash it? Grandma got it. Wow, crazy drivers. Two crazy drivers. You want to try to sit on there now? Okay. Let Grandma get it. You want to put your shoes back in the basket, Savannah? You can stick them back in your basket. Does that work good? Curly Q? Oh, you're going to wear them. Aha. And what about you, Bossy Britches?
Yes.
Should we go see what we did on the driveway? Let's go see what we did on the drive, okay? We made pictures. Let's go see the pictures we made. Let's go see. Here we go. Where's the flower? Do you know where the flower is?
No.
I do. There's Grandpa's Woody Woodpecker. It's the only thing Grampy knows how to draw, he said. They're all besides Grampy's smiley face with the dunce cap. There's Grammy's flower. And it says Nolly, Gima, and Savannah. What you up to, girls? Can you say hi? Hi to the movie. Girls want to go play out back? Hey, Beansprout, where you going? Okay. See you later. Okay, let's not get wet, all right? Just look at how pretty the water is. We don't want to get all wet. Is it pretty? Hi, girls. Say hi, Graham. Hi, Graham. Hey. Where's Papa? Hello? Where's Grandpa? Okay, see you later, girls. Bye. Say bye, Grandma.